In this tutorial, we will show you how to create a digital wallet in Metamask. Metamask is a Chrome extension and the whole process must be done through this browser, but you can also install it in the same way on your mobile device. To start, go to the metamask.io. Click this button to download the extension. There will be options for Chrome, iOS, and Android. In this example, we will click on the Chrome option. Now, click on this button to install Metamask in Chrome. Click this button to add the extension. This message will be displayed to confirm that you really want to install it. Click here to accept and add the Metamask extension. A small file will be downloaded to your computer. Wait until this message appears. Click on this button to start installation. To create a new wallet, click this button. To continue, click this button. Now in this field, enter a secure password for your Metamask account. Repeat the password in this field. Check this field to accept the terms and conditions of Metamask. Click this button to create an account. Metamask has a security system to allow you to recover your account. Random words will be displayed that you must keep in a safe place. To reveal your secret words, click here. These are the secret recovery words for your account that will be needed for the next step. Click this button to continue. Now you need to place the secret words in the same order as they were presented in the previous step. To do this, click on each word keeping the original order. If the order of the words is correct, this button will be unlocked. Click to continue. This message confirms that your Metamask account has been successfully created. Click this button to finish. This is your Metamask digital wallet. To copy the address of your wallet, simply click here. Alternatively, you can click here and the address of your Metamask wallet will be displayed in this box. Finally, note that a Metamask icon has been added to the top bar of your browser. By clicking on this icon, you will be able to view your Metamask wallet whenever you need to.